Alright, y'all. Went on and pulled a gun here on a Zaxby's chicken Philly cheesesteak. No, chicken Philly chicken steak. Let me rephrase that. Alright, guys, here comes the fries. Matter of fact, I ate about three of the fries. They didn't give you many fries. This meal was like $10. Y'all head out to Zaxby's. I never had the chicken cheesesteak before, so it's a chicken Philly steak. Keep saying cheesesteak. But anyway, that's what it look like right here. As y'all can see, you get this combo. It comes with a drink and all. The drink is not that big. Matter of fact, I left the drink. Y'all ain't tight. All right, y'all. Let's dive into it. So let's see what this thing tastes like. You got the onions, peppers, bell peppers, and let's dive into it. Well, it's good. It has the caramelized onions. Zaxbys doing it up. Mm, this is good. Mm. Shout out to Zaxby's. Mm. This is good. The fries is good. They're big too, as you guys can see. All right. Yeah, guys, this is good. Y'all give it a try. It's Zaxby's chicken Philly cheesesteak. It's packed with meat, as you guys can see. I'm kind of breaking it open here. Packed with chicken. Yes, sir. I give it 2 thumbs up, man. Y'all give it a try. All right, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, your boy's out. Peace.